Studying at Imperial College helps me reach my goals faster, and I have the privilege of studying under the best CIMA lecturers in Sri Lanka. There are so many great things about studying here. We work hard, we have fun, and in my case, it's become my second home.
Imperial College is a fun place to study CIMA. We have a lot of fun activities like trips, movie marathons, parties, and sport events. There's never a dull moment at Imperial College.
Hi, I'm Tikuli. Studying CIMA at Imperial College is one of the best decisions I've taken in my life. I suggest studying CIMA right after your A-levels as it provides you with many opportunities and gives you an edge over the others because it helps you to become a fully fledged finance professional when you are 21. If you are studying CIMA, study at Imperial College, the only place where you can make your CIMA experience fun and fulfilling.
Hi, I'm Sean. Joining CIMA fast at Imperial College has helped me get a genuine advantage over the others. It helps me be fully qualified in 19 months as opposed to the 30 months it usually takes. And Imperial College has a very good panel of lecturers who will guide you every step of the way. And I would recommend studying at Imperial College to anyone.
Imperial College provides the best in CIMA for its students, and as a parent, I will be more than happy to recommend it to anyone who is thinking of starting CIMA. The lecturers have been very helpful and they provided my daughter with so much support when she was doing CIMA, and studying there is something that she cherishes.
My daughter started CIMA when she was doing advanced level, and she got very good results in advanced level, and she says that she is very happy because the knowledge that she got from Imperial College. I would recommend Imperial College for any student who wants to follow CIMA.
My son Tharindra Gunaratna, who started CIMA straight away after O-levels, became the youngest Sri Lankan to win the top CIMA prize at 18 years. And he is now an assistant manager in a blue chip company. My daughter Chaturika Gunaratna at 19 years is following in her brother's footsteps doing top CIMA. And Imperial College has given them the right direction and the motivation, and Pravinth has been a tower of strength to both of them.
Taking up CIMA at Imperial College had helped me climb up the corporate ladder with ease. I still remember most of the examples given by my lecturers, and the things that I've learned helps me on a day-to-day basis. I would strongly recommend Imperial College for any aspiring CIMA students because no one does it better than them.
I chose Imperial College, which was then ICBS, as an institution to follow my CIMA course in 2005. The amount of support this institution has given me, not only to pass all my CIMA exams, but also to groom myself as a professional, was truly immense. If I can recall any theories or any relevant information from my CIMA course during my job, it is undoubtedly thanks to the panel of lecturers for their smooth flow of coaching, particularly Mr. Praveen. It is worth mentioning that the supplementary books provided by the institutions always came in handy as a good studying aid.
Studying CIMA at Imperial College has definitely been a wise move. It has opened up a window of possibilities for me, and it has helped me find a job overseas. I really appreciate all the hard work the lecturers put in, and studying there has been a great experience for me. I would recommend Imperial College for CIMA without any hesitation.
Why we like CIMA is because CIMA is not only a finance qualification. It has a good blend of all aspects of a business that is seen in the real practical world. In the education system of CIMA, you have the enterprise pillar, finance pillar and the performance pillar, which gives a very good combination of the actual business environment to the learner. So the graduates coming out of CIMA are good products because they have the holistic picture about business. So we can discuss with them about business, not only finance. So that is the greatest advantage of having a CIMA pass finalist or a CIMA member within an organization. So we prefer to have CIMA graduates.
Why would I recruit a CIMA qualified candidate? I am a witness and can testify how CIMA helped me to develop my skills and competencies. As a leader, I do want my subordinates to have the same confidence and knowledge so that they too can contribute in leap and bounds and make my job even much easier.